Your iPad feels slow, apps lag, scrolling stutters, and performance drops. The good news: it's usually caused by simple issues you can fix fast. This video shows why it happens and how to speed up your iPad again. Part 1. Why is my iPad so slow? Low storage, full space slows performance, background apps, too many reduce speed, outdated iOS or apps, can cause lag, cache junk files, buildup slows the system, battery heat, device may throttle performance. Part 2. How to fix a slow iPad. Way 1. Restart your iPad. Way 2. Close unused apps. Way 3. Update iPadOS. Way 4. Clear Safari cache and app cache. Way 5. Turn off background app, refresh. Way 6. Free up space. Free up storage to speed up your iPad. Full space causes lag. Delete unused apps, photos, videos, and large files. Check storage and settings. General iPad storage. For quicker cleanup, use Mobican Cleaner for iOS to remove junk and cache files. Step-by-step guide to speed up iPad on Mac or PC. Step 1. Use a USB cable to connect your iPad to a Mac or PC. Then open the iPhone Cleaner or iOS Cleaner software. Step 2. Once your device is detected, the main interface will appear. Click the Quick Clean option to start the cleaning process. Step 3. Select the types of files you want to remove. Then click Start Scan to begin analyzing your iPad. Step 4. Wait for the scan to complete. All detected files will be displayed in the program interface for you to review. Click the Clean button to remove unwanted files and free up storage space on your iPad, helping improve overall performance. Way 7. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Way 8. Reset all settings.